I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast.
Hey JT family, welcome back to the channel, just Terry B and me. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And please remember to push that bell notification button to all, so you can get all of my future videos. Today we are having leftovers and a grilled cheese from Starbucks. I'm having my leftover beans and onions, black beans and onions that I did my collab with Sticks in Charge. We did a challenge with black beans, or not black beans, but beans and onions, and some spicy beans and onions with some hot sauce. I had bought my Beloved's Life Smackalicious Danger sauce, but I'm thinking these beans are already spicy because I put some hot sauce in them already. But we'll see, and I have some leftover green beans. Let's give up Jesus. Thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Please bless it in your holy name. In your holy name, I humbly pray. Amen, amen, amen. So, to drink, I have pineapple orange juice. Cheers. So good. That's delicious. So let's see how this cheese grill tastes. It is from Starbucks. Let's see how cheesy it is. No cheese pull. Wah, wah, wah. That's okay. Here, you want the first bite? Take a bite. Let's see. Oh. I don't know what kind of cheese this is. Oh, good. You got a little cheese pull. I put some cheese on top of the beans. Let's see. Still got some onions up in there. And they are hot. Temperature hot. And spicy. But you know what, guys? I think I want some more hot sauce on them. Some more hot sauce. Ooh. Ooh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For my tummy. Is it? This is delicious and spicy, but the flavor is so good. Oh my goodness. The flavor is delicious. This is so crispy. It's so good. Oh my goodness. You know who just popped into my head? Chef Andre Pierre Maxwell. He just popped into my head. I gotta go look at you. I gotta go look for your videos. I hope you're doing all right. Those beans are delicious. They taste better now than they did when I did the video, when I did the challenge. So good. So delicious. Delicious, 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 delicious. You better make one of these cheese grills. They are delicious. That was my daughter. Tail, 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 tail. It's so good, it makes you want to sing. Oh. Let me tell you about my challenge I created. I had 2 cans of black beans, whole bunch of onions, and some spicy hot sauce. And I collabed with Sticks in Charge. 2 days. But 2 days afterwards, you know how I felt. Just think, beans and onions. But I fall right back into the trap again. Because they are so good. Oh my goodness. You want to buy my beans and onions? Here you go. Take a bite, 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 bite. Good. And that hot sauce. Oh my goodness. This is not paid advertisement, but this is delicious. Danger. I got hectic in there. I think it's supposed to be hotter than danger. Not sure. I did the other way around. I didn't open hectic check. I don't think I did. I don't remember. I was looking outside, see if my son was home. Nope, not yet. No matter how old your kids get, you worry. I have 5 kids, aging from 23, soon to be 24. My twins, they're going to be 24, July 7th. 24 to 37. And I worry about all 5 of them. 3 live out. The older 3 live outside of the house. And the 2 younger ones still live with me. And you still worry no matter. But it's a blessing that they're doing good things. And not in jail, getting in trouble. I have a question. think I should try to sell the coldest water bottle? I've been looking for some water bottles. And I said, since I need a water bottle, I might as well try to sell some water bottles, right? So, what you think? Should I try to sell the water bottles? The coldest water bottle? I must be hungry today. Eating my green beans. My vegetarian meal. Well, sort of, kind of. I did season the beans the other day with beef bacon. So, like Carter's Eat says, veganish. No starting around. No sense in running because it's spicy. Good. It's still pulling. Well, I thought I could finish my food. I did good though, right? I finished all my vegetables. It's just drink. Excuse me. It's good. Tropicana, I think it was. Tropicana, pineapple orange juice. I got the last bit out the carton. Thank you for watching my last video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you enjoy my shorts. I am going to put this video out on Monday, I believe. If not sooner. We shall see. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And please, please, please do me this favor. Oops, stop shaking. This one favor. Remember to always live life as though it were your last. Each and every day. Each and every day. As though it were your last. Bye. Peace.